Hi, my name is Noble Chibuzo Igwe. My friends call me Nobes. You can call me anything you want. If you're up and coming, if you're coming, if you're already established, who's listening to this, be consistent, be determined, and always remember that you're doing this for yourself and not for anyone else. So let me tell you another thing I do, right? I can tell you, like, when I do fashion, that blogs will carry it and make it news, but they'll mention you. So you get free adverts on the blogs that you are paid for. So I kind of think it's a gamble, but I also know that I know the value that I'm bringing to the table. And once I bring this value to the table, I can easily walk to anybody and say, this is what I brought. But the thing is, like everybody said, the big companies don't always come to you. But if you have something that is good enough for you to sell, please walk in.
Don't say anything about your challenges. Your story sounds so smooth and
the challenges that you have in this sort of business are similar, like to what every single person has. Sometimes, like some of us used to think, like, if you're not a girl, it's easier for girls to get sponsorship. You might not agree, but that's the truth. In this business. So we have a lot of women here, so you guys are lucky. I don't know about you guys being lucky when you start, but it's easier for women to get things done in the corporate. I don't know how it works. I don't know how, but somehow they seem to get things faster. So for a girl, you have to really work a bit harder to be recognized, right?
Hi, I'm Damio Defor. I'm the editor-in-chief of Kombini Nigeria. I'm here to talk about Kombini and my career journey and also inspire upcoming Nigerian bloggers into getting into the industry.
Does your course in school determine whether you get the job, or the experiences you've had working with companies, or like, do you understand my question?
Yeah. But so if you were trying to, let's say you studied engineering but you want to be a writer, I don't necessarily care so much about your work experience in engineering. What I care about is, okay, fine, you have a degree, cool, whatever. And then I guess if you have a blog or you write for these publications, if I can see links to your work, that's all I really care about. So making the most relevant information available. I don't need to know that you're NYCA, you work for like O&O, like it's not relevant to this particular role. So structuring it for the particular job. So for every job I had, or every interview I had, so for Universal, even though they didn't care about my CV, when I did a CV, it was focused on like my experience within music. With MTV, it was okay, my experience within like, because MTV is more of a, it's not really a music, it's more TV, it's more like they have loads of shows. So okay, my experience with like the content producing side of TV. So structuring it for each role.
I am a regular attendant of the Assemblies events, and I constantly always attend because of the power-packed speakers we always have, the essential tools and information we need to thrive in the fashion business.
My name is Esne Alpha and I'm a blogger. I run an on-site blog called beautyinlagos.com. My breakthrough moment was when I had a beauty party, and it just let me know that people appreciated what I was doing, and the turnout was amazing and the feedback was amazing. So that was my breakthrough moment.
I found people always asking me questions on where to get this, where can I get my brows threaded, where can I go get my underarms waxed. So I just decided, people are looking for this, so I might as well start something that helps a lot of people get this question answered, because these are just my friends asking me. There's definitely people who don't know me that want to know that. So I think it's just going to be, what problem do you want to solve?
My name is Sukomi. I run the Lagos Weekend App. I've been opportunity to attend the Assembly Officials classes like 3 times, and it's been very insightful.
I'm overwhelmed by what I learned today. Like, I got to meet a lot of resource persons. I initially didn't think it was going to be an interesting session like this. This is actually my first time attending a program like this, so I'm all fired up. Before now, I have had this flair in me, this ginger. It's been there for a while, but I've not been able to put it to action. But now, with what I've learned and the resources I've gathered, hopefully I'm going to do more than I've done before. When you're not consistent, like you start less than a year, maybe it's not paying off,
Then you fall off.
you fall off. That's the thing. So I want a situation where I start and then, as much as the passion is there, the money is, I need the money.
And I said to you, also not my full-time.
It's not your full time. That's the thing. So even they said it at the Mosan for that, they only have jobs, 9 to 5 jobs. So that's the thing. How do you keep up?
It's rough, like literally, and what I've noticed, so when I go on holiday, so when I travel, with the staff not here, and I have staff. So if I travel, I know they keep updating me, sending me emails, this was going on with this client, blah, 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 we have FaceTime meetings. Ozina.com, the people that work with Ozina.com are literally people who just handle the orders and stuff, not proper staff and managers. And literally, when I'm on holiday and I sleep, we don't make money.
Hi, my name is Ozina of ozina.com, which is a fashion and lifestyle website with an e-commerce section for people to shop. I'm one of the speakers in the Breakthrough Blogging Masterclass, which I thought was a very interesting topic because I started off as a blogger and I've progressed in great ways, thank God, and I'm making money off it. So I thought, why not insights and knowledge to people, because I feel like I had to navigate this all by myself. So if I can help 5 people, you know, come up with a business plan or come up with a way to make money from blogging, why not do it?
In terms of hitting the right value on content we create, that's when you start selling your content, advertising, you have partners, you have clients. Everybody, because of like brand budgets, everybody wants to try and get things for low or for free. So that's where this is challenging. So I tend, in both of our, in one of the girls, I tend to be like the bigger negotiator, and the way I think about this is the difference between being flexible and being firm.
My name is Falayemi Ofoli. I am the founder of eDrinkLagos.com. My breakthrough moment was when we started getting more people reading our blog, and people actually enjoyed it and would engage with us about our content and also leave comments about their own perspective about the restaurants that we wrote about. That was nice to feel that we were just writing to the open internet and that people were actually reading and engaging.
The most challenging part of blogging is, for me personally, like managing it with the 9 to 5 and basically juggling 2 lives together.
How did you guys get your name? Did you guys like toy with a few ideas? Did you like sleep and dream for like 2 hours, and then when you woke up, you knew this was what I was gonna name the blog? Like, how did you think you were gonna end up with eDrinkLagos?
All the names I came up with were Raz. Very Raz. God, it was terrible. She found the name, so that was fun.
I think I was Googling like eat blog, drink blog, food blog, and I remember seeing something about adventure, and it was eat and adventure or something.
I run my blog on Blogspot because WordPress is kind of expensive integrating the domain name. So how do you go about doing something like that?
By Blogspot, I was really referring to using the .blogspot. You're better off having your own domain, and this is my own personal opinion. I feel as though like some other websites have some better looking themes, so I would prefer like to use like a WordPress theme or a Squarespace theme as opposed to like a Blogspot theme. But that's just my personal preference.
Today was very insightful, very interesting. I loved how all the speakers got really intimate with us and shared their experiences in the industry. What stood out for me was Noble Igwe, his story, very interesting, and how we need to discover our unique selling points.